Hello guys, today we are going to discuss the order by keyword by using the SQL. In the last session we have discussed that what is exactly the and, or and not operators and what are their basically different combination and how we can use it. So now it's time to come up on order by keyword. See, order by keyword is used to sort the result set in ascending or descending order, but by default in ascending order. See, we have some table and we want a column or number of columns in an ascending order or a descending order in our output, then we can go for the order by keyword. See how it can be used. First thing is that by default it will do in ascending order. If you forget to use the keyword ascending or descending order, then but by default it will give you the answer in an ascending order. Okay, now next thing is we use this keyword for the descending order. So if you want to go for the specifically for the descending order, then you have to use this keyword. If you want to specifically want to go for the ascending order, then you have to use ASC, that is a ascending order keyword. Okay, now let's discuss the syntax. The select column 1, column 2 and many columns you can add, is all up to you. Then from table name, from which table? Table name. Then order by keyword, use order by keyword, column 1 and column 2, column 3, up to you. Then in ascending or descending order. So what is this query doing? It will select column 1 and column 1, column 2, whatever from this table, but it will sort that tables on what basis? On column 1 ascending or descending order, whatever you used, column 1 and column 2 and column 3, whatever used, it all will sort on the what basis, whatever the keyword you use, ascending or descending order. Okay, so let's see some queries and check out what will be the output from these queries. The first is select star from employees, order by country. Here this query says that select all the attributes from the employees tables, but what is that? What is the condition? That order by country. We have to sort country, or we can say the order the country, but in ascending order, because by default we have run that. By default it will do in a ascending order. We are not mentioning specifically descending or ascending, so it will take the by default the ascending order. Like this, see the answer. By doing this query we will get the country in the ascending order. So first, what will be this output? See, it is a character type, so it will arrange all these in a character base, that is on a alphabetically manner, that 1 A B C D in this manner. So what will be the first output? It will take Berlin first, B, okay, then again Berlin comes, then Berlin, this, then after that Germany, after that USA, USA, USA. So this will be the order by this, because the ascending order is B, G and U. Okay, now after that this query says that select star from employees, order by country in a descending order. Okay, this means descending order. So it will arrange now in a descending order. So what will be the first? USA for this, again USA for this, USA, complete this. After that the G that is Germany, Germany this, and after that what will be the output? Berlin and Berlin, Berlin and Berlin. Okay guys, so this will be the output from this query. Now move to the next query, the select star from employees, order by country and CID. This is the main query. Here we are arranging or ordering these columns in ascending order. But what is the difference between the country ascending ordering the country and then CID? See, it will give first the preference to this one. So how it will do? It will do by ascending order. So it will, what will be the first come? Berlin, then Germany, then USA, this USA or this USA, whatever. But it says that after sorting this, if you find any redundant value, then do that redundant value also on the CID based. Sort that redundant value on the CID based in ascending order. How? See, first comes Berlin or this or this, whatever it will come. So Berlin and Berlin, but both are same. So it will sort the output on the basis of CID. So first will be the 002 and then 004. Okay, it will sort also the CID 002 and then 004. Okay, it already shortened the country Berlin. But after that, if we get the redundant value, then it will show on the basis of CID. So 002 and then 004. This Berlin, then this Berlin. After that, Germany, we do not have more Germany. What will be the again the USA, this USA. So whatever the USA will come, it depends on the CID. So CID 01, it will show this, then 05, then 006. So this will be the order of this output. Okay guys. After that, we have the query select star from employees, order by country, ascending, comma, CID, descending. So what is that? If we want the country in an ascending order and we want CID in a descending order, then do this query. So it will first arrange this country in ascending order. So first will be the Berlin, this Berlin, Germany, then USA. Okay. But after that, it will sort the CID in a descending order. So what will be that? This Berlin and this Berlin has the same value. So but the corresponding value of CID is 0024 or 004. But we have to manage, or we have to order in a descending order. So what will be the output? 004 come first, then 002, then Germany. After that, USA. Same values. Then after that, it will sort the values on the basis of CID in descending order. So 006 will come, then 005 will come, then 001 will come. Okay. So this will be the output from this query. So guys, this is all about the order by keyword. We will do the insert into or the null values, how we can use the null values or the insert into or the update in the next session. If you like my videos, please like and share the videos and subscribe the channel. And please remember, don't forget to click or follow the playlist. The link is under the description, so you won't skip any videos. Thank you.